My phone has been commandeered by Kinsley, our dog handler.
She's doing some close-up video.
Yeah, she does.
She got to flip around.
Puppy's a bad on this.
Well, she gets a little bit more close, almost like National Geographic.
Yeah.
Right, Dooley? It's just like National Geographic, mister? She likes to get right up close with the animals. Good girl, Lovey. Oh, that was excellent.
These little pocket pickles that look like Russian wolfhounds. She's in so close.
That's why I thought they were bigger than they were.
Like the polar bears. They look like those Burmese mountain dogs. She's in so close.
Oh, thank you. Are you all done, Lovey? Oh, no. Sorry, sweetie. I can't give you this one. You can have my phone. You can do that. Good girl. You taking pictures? Okay, you're helping me? Okay, that's a good girl. Excuse me, videographer. You're just blocking my view. Okay. Are you hatching puppies over there?
Come here, silly. There you go.
They're all in the bed now. That's cute. With the cat toys.
Tiger has left the building.
Oh, we're gonna get another baby in the bed. Okay.
Oh, goodness. It's hard work. Videographer.
I'm not sure what's gonna happen with my phone now.
Yeah.
It never worked well before. Maybe Kinz will fix it.
That's right. Kids are pretty handy with that stuff. Oh, she sees a photo op coming up there. Oh, she's gonna smack the phone.
You got them all in the bed? Good girl, Lovey.
Oh, what happened?
What happened?
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, it malfunction. The phone is the picture. The camera malfunctioning. Needs to tune up. Yeah.
As soon as she
Getting
goes in
close.
for the close-up, her finger goes over the...
The puppies are ignoring it. Oh, look at them. Pam, there's your two babies. It's a tug of war.
Has no idea what's happening right behind her.
Do you need help?
Oh,
Oh,
serious,
oh.
serious dominance thing going on here. Oh, her videographer's getting in close. Oh, yeah.
Oh, did you get that? Was that a
Oh,
good
she got
shot?
it. It was
Good for
perfect.
you.
Perfect. That was a shot. That was the money shot there. That'll be on the cover of Horse and Hound.
Yeah, she's checking to make sure they all turned out okay.
Yeah,
That's good girl, Lovey.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. She said your phone was a little plugged up. I deleted it.
Thank you, sweetie. Thank you.
All right, all
It
done.
says, oh, it had a message on there for us. It said something about try saying something. Oh, what happened?
All gone.
Mm-hmm.
Good girl.
Puppies are all tired out now, too.